Cookie. Hello. Hi. Do you want to say hi to people? How about you, Pogi? Ang pogi naman ito. Ang pogi mo naman, Pogi. Ang pogi-pogi mo naman. Good morning, guys. In fact, actually, it is afternoon. I just woke up and I'm just about to get ready for work. But, yeah, I thought maybe I'll just give my baby some loves. Hi, Cookie. Hi, Cookie. You need loves too, huh, babeng? Ang cute-cute ni Cookie, no? Cute-cute niya. He is the very chill one. Very chill siya. At saka, very, ano tawag dun? Yung affectionate ba? Gustong-gusto niya na kinakadal siya all the time. So, ha, Cookie. Cookie. Guys, the reason why I'm calling him Cookie kasi, I was actually Oreo because like black and white. I mean, he's got a little bit of orange. Pero, yeah. I'm not talking like the cookie, like the brown cookie that we make. It's actually, I was thinking about Oreo cookie because it's black and white. Ha! Ha, Cookie! Tapos itong si, I think si Pogi, I think I like calling him Pogi now rather than orange. Ha, babeng? Ang gwapo-gwapo nito niya. Tapos ito yung very hyperactive. Ha! Are you a very hyperactive one? I think you are. Yeah, very playful siya. So, anyways, ito yung ating pewter. Yung baby pewter na ating boy na. Naging big boy na. Pewter! How's your day been, babeng? How's your day been? Pewter. Hi, Pewter. You wanna say hi? Anyways, guys, so magluluto lang ako ng ngayon gumagawa ako ngayon ng kape kasi today is my 4th day sa work. So like you said, I always need coffee. So, mas lalo na ngayon, talagang need yung kape. Masyado kasi masyado. So, guys, yung content natin today. So, I'm just gonna cook what's in my fridge kasi hindi ko alam kung I don't know what to cook. But I've been thinking about like a little bit of, like fish. So meron akong leftover. So may read ko yung aking fridge. So nakahanap ako ng I will wash my hands first kasi I touch our kitten. So yeah, naghanap lang ako ng maluto natin sa fridge. So, nakahanap ako ng leftovers na salmon galing kahapon. So, dalawang slice ng salmon. So, lagay ko lang dito. Ito, meron tayong I don't know, medyo lanta na siya. Yung spinach, yung leftover spinach sa tinulang manok. So, okay, I think okay. Lang siya, frozen lang konti kasi nasa fridge na din siya. Tapos ito, meron tayong green beans. So, magdalagan akong green beans. So, parang lang siya, yung tinulang isda. So, yeah. Tapos, meron tayong kamatis. Onion. At saka, lalagyan ko siya ng guys, yung daikon. Daikon ba yun? Daikon. Yung malaking radish. Yan. So, ito. So, yeah, gagawa lang ako ng sinabawang salmon kasi yun lang yung makikita natin sa fridge. So yeah, gumawa muna ako ng kape bago tayo magluto, mag-slice nitong ating mga vegetables. Lumalamig na masyado sa labas. Meron pa rin tayong snow from the last time. In fact, nag-snow actually this morning, konti, nung pag-uwi ko galing sa work. Tapos, nag-stop siya. So, sprinkle lang ba? So yeah, kamusta naman kayo guys? I know it's been a while. It's been a while. Meron akong dalawang videos na take while I was working. So, hopefully, ma-upload ko sila. Kasi nag-edit ako kahapon. Meron kasi akong 30 minutes kahapon. So, nag-edit ako. Tapos, yung computer kasi natin, medyo luma na. Tapos, it's running very slow. So, I really struggled when I do my editing. And plus, hindi pa ako expert sa mga edit na yan guys. Kasi baguhan lang tayo sa ganitong bagay, So, malay mo baka one of these days I could get a new computer and so we could actually speed up our editing. So that way, makapag-upload tayo ng bonggang-bongga, So, but for now, meron din naman akong editing app sa phone ko, pero it's not as good as the one sa computer. Kaso lang, my computer is running really slow. So it's kind of frustrating, but it's okay. It's okay because, I could still, edit a little bit. I'm learning, I'm still learning, and we will get there guys, okay? So yeah, gagawa lang muna ako ng kape, tapos isa-slice na natin, or i-cut na natin yung ating vegetables, Okay guys, gagawa na natin yung ating kape. Grabe nagigising talaga pag uminom ako ng kape. Ayan, I know na kamusta naman kayo? Kamusta yung panahon din sa Pilipinas? Wala kasi akong Filipino TV, yung Filipino channel ba. At saka dito, one thing, hindi na uso yung hindi na uso yung ating cable na, para sa TV. Mostly na ngayon yung tao nag-stream na sila online. For example, yung mga movies, nabibili na din mostly nabibili na yung movies online or magre-rent. Tapos it's through Wi-Fi. Kung meron kang internet, walang problema, hindi mo na kailangan yung cable. So, yeah, we tried Filipino channel before. Pero hindi naman, walang parang wala na din yung TFC nila na tinatawag. Parang I didn't feel it. I mean, I don't think it was actually helpful at all. Kasi yung mga event is mga late na. I don't know. Parang lang sa akin kasi meron akong TFC before. Yung mga show, gustong-gusto ko yung ABS. Tapos, bihira lang merong mga show ng ganyan. So, I don't know. Hindi ko alam, baka hindi lang ako masyadong, nag-watch ng TV, na I don't really watch TV at all. Kung merong movie na lalabas, so I like it, pero okay lang na nasa theater. Pero pag sa bahay minsan, Ano, kung gusto ko yung yung movie, mag-watch ako ng movie. Pero pag talaga lang na just regular movies na, I'm not into really movies. So yeah, nakat na natin ito. Ano ba yan? Chika lang ako ng chika, tapos hindi ko na nakat yung ating onion. Kalimutan. So yeah guys, 4th day na ngayon, at saka tomorrow, day off ko. Meron tayong 3 days off. So, I'm so excited. So sana sana marami tayong ma-edit na video or magawang mga content para meron tayong ma-upload, So, ito na yung ating what do you call this? Green beans. Grabe naman. Nag-struggle ako. Kaya nagbo-boil na yung ating tawag dyan, yung ating kamatis at saka onion. So, ilalagay ko lang yung ating salmon. Yeah. Tapos, tatakpan lang natin. Kumukulo na yung ating isda. Kumukulo na siya, Ilagay na natin yung ating salt. Tapos yung ating vegetable. So nalagay na natin yung ating green beans kasi luto na yung ating. I feel like we overcooked the salmon. So next yung gagawin natin is yung lagay natin yung ating yung big radish. Excited na ako. Na-excited na kayo. Here one go. Ayan. Hello. Tapos, lagyan natin ng takip. Ulit. Tapos, pakuluin. Okay, so nalagay na natin yung ating daikon at saka na siya. Nagkumulo na siya. So now, nilagay ko na yung ating spinach. Diba? Sarap. Sarap. Alam nyo ba? Yung mga niluluto ko. Accidentally ko siyang na-realize na, sarap pala nito. Sinong nakaka-relate dyan? Diba? You're thinking like, I'll cook this again next time. So yeah. Anyways, looks like it's done na. Kasi yung spinach natin, hindi na kailangan nating pakuluan kasi mabilis lang ito siya na maluto. Yung parang talbos ng kamote at saka talbos ng kangkong. Yeah. Very, very easy to do. So yeah. Takpan lang natin siya. Tapos i-turn off na natin yung ating stove. Tapos hayaan na natin siyang maluto ng ating spinach. Okay, so ito na yung ating sinabawang salmon. Guys, ang sarap-sarap nito. Maasim yung marami